मोबाइल बाहर निकालते हैं, पता नहीं क्या है।
I love you.
Hey guys, this is Asha Krishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Make Life a Ride. 1 minute. So आज है 17 जुलाई 17 जुलाई and time update it's 6:30 and we are going Manali to Chandigarh. It's the last day of Himalayan odyssey and luggage load हो चुका है. Luggage loading के पहले मैंने luggage डाल दिया है. It's the one last time. चंडीगढ़ जाएंगे, देखते हैं बाद में क्या करना है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. 15 दिन कैसे गया कुछ समझा भी नहीं. ओके, लास्ट डे ऑफ हिमालयन ओडिसी 2019. चलो
time because today is the last day. There's no point giving gyan. But yeah, next time even if you go on the other rides, especially on the Royal Enfield rides, please make sure that you're on time. If you're working on at 7 o'clock, that doesn't mean you're ready at 7 o'clock. When you mean ready, that means you're standing here. Right now you guys are ready. This should happen at 6:45 when I mean 6:45 briefing. Alright, no worries, it's okay.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
So finally reached Hotel Mount Green, Chandigarh, and
It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars.
Congrats.
Nothing can break me. No, nothing can
फाइनली ये समझे कहीं पे भी पहुंचे ना, सबसे पहले मोबाइल बाहर निकालते हैं, पता नहीं क्या है। I love you.
congratulations, लास्ट के 3 दिन अच्छे गए.
विराट जो सेट कर रहे हैं ना, बहुत खतरनाक था.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
मज़ा आ गया. मैं अभी गिर उतारता हूँ, तैयार होने के बाद मिलता हूँ. हालत देख रहे हो हमारी.
300 किलोमीटर की राइड के बाद ऐसी हालत होती है.
ओके सर, पहले तो मेरे को थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे दो. वेयर आर यू कमिंग फ्रॉम, व्हाट यू डू, व्हिच बाइक यू राइड, एवरीथिंग.
आई एम प्रदीप कुमार यादव, राइडर फ्रॉम दिल्ली.
क्या हुआ?
ये बंदा वाट लगाता है इंटरव्यू में.
I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
This is the outfit. भैया दिखाओ. तो भैया ने भी पहना है, संजय ने भी पहना है और चिंतन भैया ने भी पहना है.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car.
Himalayan Odyssey or Ladakh is every biker's dream, we can say. Ari has been fulfilling it from, I suppose this is the 16th Odyssey.
It goes to Sanjay Kapoor. Sanjay Kapoor.
People who doesn't know what Rotlu means. I mean the person who cries for almost everything. So this guy, so he would start his day with complaint. He would end his day with complaint. And he would cry all day.
Where is this feedback form?
Hey guys, just want to say thanks to Royal Enfield team, Hema, Sunil, Akash, Santosh, Arun media team. Everyone has been so helpful and supportive. Thanks to you guys for lovely memories that we are actually taking away from this place. And yeah, Odyssey is done. And the helmet story that you were mentioning, I think I just copied your helmet and goggles. So that's why it's looking so nice. Yeah.
Congratulations. Next gentleman is again special, and now again, is he the youngest? Yeah, so he's the youngest, and Asha Krishna. Something special about Asha. I would never see him in a sad state. Like whether it's morning, night, afternoon, wherever. Always smiling. Look at him.
Thank you.
I'll come and see them. Next is
Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So
yes, finally Odyssey is over. So if you like this video, so please hit the like button and please comment, share and subscribe. So yes, with that said, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm Asha Krishna signing off. So as always, respect the streets, ride with proper gears and chase your dreams. I'll meet you soon in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye.
try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.